The on-campus program is truly the heart of Hult Prize. This part of the Hult Prize competition is what reaches the most amount of people and empowers student leaders to organize their own local version of the Hult Prize competition.
Every single university can have a different type of program and can make their own impact.
It started with the dream of better engaging with our community of students, local governments, and sponsors.
The on-campus program is the first opportunity for students to be part of the Hult Prize journey. In this phase, campus directors with their organizing committees provide the necessary tools and skills to ensure the teams stand out and succeed.
We have mentors, we have professors, we have judges, we have even small business owners that all contribute to the progress and development of our teams.
It is about bringing ideas to life and executing life-changing projects.
My duty is to organize workshops, on-campus program, events, training session, connecting experts and also the innovative students, individuals together.
Campus directors put hours and hours into this on-campus program. They truly are the leaders of a movement in their local communities. They are inspiring thousands to believe in their own voice and to take action.
Being a campus director is an amazingly fulfilling experience, as I was able to help so many social enterprises and teams to actually build something bigger than themselves.
I believe that the on-campus program gives people that spark to realize that it's not just about them. It's about their community or maybe even the whole world, that they are capable of changing the world one step at a time.